Hi dear soul, how are you doing? Today is April Yoga Challenge 2020, day number 18. Is not a yoga pose, it's not an asana. It's surprise, that is a pranayama, that is a breath work, breathing exercise. And today's breathing exercise is yet simpler, but really profound. You will realize how calm and relaxed you feel, how much clarity you start to observe in your mind and your body. This pranayama is called Same Vritti Pranayama, or equal proportional breath. So it is also known as the box breathing in the West. You see all the ideas of the Eastern methods are coming to the West and have the new name. So the box breathing is the way. How to do it is very simple. That we sit down in the cross leg. You can also sit down on your couch or on your chair, and the only thing required is that your spine is straight, the shoulders are relaxed, hand can rest on your knees. Upward is the best and down is still okay. Even much better is that you use a mudra or the gesture by your fingers and thumbs, and the combination of that. So I recommend here to use Gyan Mudra, and we do it for 5 minutes, which will be about 8 to 10 box breathing. Same Vritti Pranayama, April Yoga Challenge 2020, day number 18. So I show you first how to do it. So we sit down. If you're sitting on a chair and can still rest on your knees in Gyan Mudra, index finger and thumb are together and the other finger straight, spine straight. We do it with the closed eyes, or eyes are half closed that you are preferring. So I show you first how to do that. Inhaling deep from the nose. About 3 to 4 to 5 seconds of full body breath. Holding it for the same period of time, and then exhaling from the mouth. Same period of time, full exhalation, waiting, holding the breath out. And then inhaling from the nose without having any desperation. So this is a breathing exercise, really meditative itself as well. Same Vritti Pranayama. Let's start it. Straight spine, eyes closed, exhale fully. Starting now. Inhaling from the nose for 3, 4 or 5 seconds in your own capacity. Full body breath, holding it, observing the body filled with the life force, filled with the breath. Exhaling for the same period of time from your mouth. After the complete exhalation, holding the breath out, witnessing the body without the breath. Inhaling deep from the nose. Equal proportion, with patience and control. Holding the breath. Exhaling from the mouth. Again, in your own capacity, I'm just here to guide you. Your eyes are closed and you're just making a box with one cycle of breath. Inhalation, holding, exhalation from the mouth, holding out. When you're in the process of holding the breath, either in or out, witness the stillness in the body, releasing every tension from the body, observing any compulsing awareness that you feel from your automatic mind, from the compulsive mind, that slowly start to relax with that. Keep on breathing for last 2 minutes. Inhaling from the nose, holding equal proportion of breath with the time, equal proportion of time. Exhaling for equal proportion of time. Holding out for equal proportion of time. Experiencing the body with the breath, without the breath. Inhaling the breath and exhaling the breath. You find this deep relaxation in the mind. And slowly you start to step towards more meditativeness. You keep a smile from the corner of your lips and the corner of your eyes when you hold the breath. Witness how the stillness appears in the mind and the body. Exhaling very gently and lovingly from the mouth, holding the breath out, observing the smile, and then inhaling with patience. Last minute. Final 20 seconds. Just experience this flow of the breath and control over your breath. This breath work that is bringing you deeper and deeper inward. And finally, when you're ready, exhaling from your mouth, inhaling, exhaling just from your nose, observing this peacefulness in the body, in the mind, and gently opening the eyes when you're ready. So, how do you feel? How was it for you? This Same Vritti Pranayama is very powerful. For the first time, if you're doing it for the first time, it might be a little bit challenging as well. The restlessness start to appear on the surface as well. I can understand that. But if you do this a few more times, you will realize that how calm and relaxed you start to feel. You find that how peacefulness start to appear in your body and your mind as well. So this is Today is April Yoga Challenge 2020, day number 18. Thank you so much for being here and doing it for today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day number 19 on April Yoga Challenge 2020. My name is Manoj and you are here on Manoyogi YouTube channel. If you like this pranayam, please like the button. If you're new on my channel, please hit the subscriber button and press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever we are putting new videos for you there. Thank you so much and I wish you a wonderful day.